Walking up to the new Audi A5 2025. Ooh, look at that.
Signature light.
Heads-up display. It's a sedan, but a sportback at the same time. And we'll do that. Manly is going to accompany me. Squeeze under the handle. That. All right. Let's see.
Can I have my screen?
Oh yeah, there you go. You have your screen.
First, say I want to adjust this to the sunroof.
Yeah. Interesting. Nice. Okay. We need to get this on a station. Actually, we'll just turn it off. There. Decline that. And then go home. And here we go. Let's see. That's got the 360 camera.
Ooh, I can connect my phone. Oh, only your phone. Only your phone. No phone being connected.
Try it.
Accept.
This has the S-Line with the squared off steering wheel. Must love. I like it. It's like a race car. It's very cold in here. Hey, Audi. My seat is very cold. Can you heat up my side?
Okay, I am setting the seat heating to 3.
Look at that.
Wow.
Hey, Audi. Can you warm up the cabin to about 23 degrees?
I will adjust the settings to make it more comfortable.
Okay. So far, so good. Oh, paddle shifters I miss. Let's. Little driving here. Very nice. Around the block or highway?
Up to you.
Let's take it on the highway and see.
Still compare my phone. Compare my phone. Okay, connect.
It's been a while since I did a spirited test drive. Let's go. This is very nice. Oh, there you go.
This one have a 90 speaker, right? This
Yes,
is
it's built in, yeah.
And this one come with a headphone? Headrest?
It's in the headrest, yeah. You can't see it, but there's speakers in the headrest.
Go back to your system. Oh, sorry.
Go ahead.
Handling really good.
Handles very well. Oh my gosh. It's lovely to drive. Oh, and you can see it shows all the cars beside you in this. That's great. Grips really well. I'm gonna pull over and then you're gonna take over.
Okay.
Drives really well.
Do you find that the car is long? No?
No.
I need to bring my driving license.
Oh,
Never mind. You can go.
okay.
I just realized. I just be on the passenger side.
All right. Okay, just plot a way to go back through your ways from the street here.
1 second.
Apparently, I can
Let's
view.
take Bryan Drive, Toronto. Arrival time on.
To disable rear occupant detection, you want to swipe across here, go into vehicle. From vehicle, you want to click on more. And from more, swipe all the way to the bottom. Rear occupant detection. It's already turned off, but it would be turned on from factory. You need to turn it off. And yes, permanently, deactivate permanently. That way, every time you come into the car, it won't turn on the car. But if you have a baby or a child, you want that on. Definitely. Finally, we can have Apple CarPlay right in front of us.
Turn right on Bryan Drive. In 1.9 kilometers. Turn right on Yorkland Boulevard.
That's great. Now, let's see if we hit view. Oh, it doesn't. It gets rid of it. Okay.
We kind of have a big view, right?
No, not a big view, just a smaller view.
Small view.
Oh, this one is for the heads-up display here.
Oh.
So it's telling me what's playing.
Oh, my music?
Yeah, all
I'm
that
so
stuff.
sorry, I don't
No,
know that.
it's okay. I'm just trying to see what else. Manly radio. Oh, I see. There, okay.
Auckland Boulevard. I said on the Midtown Toronto. That's our home address. So now you can go home to if you need.
It actually shows the car in full color in the heads-up display,
This car?
like just like this.
Oh.
Yeah, up in front. It shows exactly this part.
Yeah. The new system actually.
It's very good.
Yeah, it's very good. The driver assist.
Yeah.
You're
let's see
not on radio, right?
Yeah.
Recording. You're not on recording now.
Oh, I was. Yeah. I am.